Morning everyone, today is Saturday and today the weather looks so good. Outside is cloudy and as the weather report, today afternoon will be raining. So as original, my plan is take everyone go to look around my city or look around my apartment. But now it's raining, so I change my planning. Today I will make breakfast and then take everyone for room tour, my home room tour, and then I will make a housekeeping. That's all. So let's make my breakfast first. For the breakfast, I will make coffee, oatmeal, and a boiled egg. I think this kind of breakfast is healthy. What will you make for your breakfast? This is the coffee powder I like. Which brand is your favorite? For the boiled egg, I like hard boiled. I boil it for around 15 minutes. What about you? Let's enjoy the breakfast for health. Okay, let's start our room tour. Here is the gate. Here is my kitchen. I will make meal here every day. And I will show you how to cooking Chinese food at here later. Here is my water bar, water heater, coffee powder, and tea. I enjoy my coffee and tea here. Okay. Oh, the fridge. I like this fridge. It's big enough for my storage. And it have ice maker here, so I can enjoy my iced coffee and iced tea anytime. Dining area, because I'm living alone, I don't need a big area for dining. So this is a small area and a small table with 2 chairs. There is a shoe cabinet at the entrance of the home. And I will keep those 2 bags here alone. I like these 2 bags. I will take these 2 bags with me when I go outside. For this bag, I want to show you. This is a cotton bag, big enough, soft, and strong enough. I will take it when I go to market for food shopping. And this bag, it's small and light. I can take the power banker, tissues, and a bottle of water out with me. So this is the entrance area. I will take those 2 bags with me every time. And here is my daily medicine area. I will keep vitamins and other supplements at here. Okay, this is a full view of entry area, dining area, and the kitchen. And there is a small storage area behind the kitchen. I installed the shower heater and keep daily use housekeeping tools at here. Okay, let's move to my living area. I keep air cleaner machine and a vacuum cleaner here. The air cleaner I will turn on for 2 hours in every day for my room air clean, because I want the air fresh enough in my room. And here is the vacuum cleaner. I like this vacuum. It's made by Xiaomi. I will show you about it. You see, it's very small and light. It's less than 1 kg. I can handle it easily. And it has 2 brushes, one smaller for table and the other one is for floor. It's really very light for long time handle. It's easy for me to clean my room. Okay, let's go to the living area. The TV and the switch at here with a movable support. I can move and enjoy it anywhere. And here, I can take some home access workout at here. And when my friends come in, we will enjoy at the living area. Now keep moving to the end of living area. Here is the washing area and my green corner. I will stay here with my flowers sometimes. And I like this sofa. It's very soft and can convert to a long game. I will take a short sleep at here after lunch. Okay, let's go to the bedrooms. I have 3 bedrooms. But now, this first bedroom, I make it as my storage room. Because I living alone, I don't need so many bedrooms, and I want my space to feel more spacious. So I need a large storage room. Here is my second bedroom. I change it into my working and computer room. I make YouTube video, reading, and play games at this room. Here is the third bedroom and closet. My bedroom is simple and cozy. The bed is soft and warm. I can get a good sleep here. Sink area and shower room. Okay, this is my room tour. Hope you enjoy. Then I will start my room housekeeping. So see you later.